Hey, my name is Chris Desma and I'm Philippines, and I'm here to present a song which is called Need You Now by the Glee Project. And my inspiration is Lindsay Pierce and Damon McKenzie for this song. So here it goes. Wait, technical problems. Picture perfect memories scattered all around the floor. Reaching for the phone cause I can't find it anymore. And I wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me it happens all the time. It's a color after one. I'm all alone and I need you now. Said I will recover the lost of control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now. So that's it. Hope you like it. And here's my bear. His name is Damien. Bye, guys.